excited to kick off this 4th edition of Vention Demo Day, our annual product event. We are building one of the most comprehensive hardware and software platform for industrial automation, and this is where we showcase our most innovative product of the last year, supporting our mission to make industrial automation accessible to all manufacturers. A year ago, we started to tackle the biggest remaining problem of our industry: deployment. Machine Cloud became the first software of this category, supporting the deployment of machine from the cloud to the factory floor with user software assistant throughout. The launch of Machine Cloud marked the 4th pillar of the Vention manufacturing automation platform, just like Machine Builder and Machine Logic gave birth to the design and automate pillar a few years earlier. Back then, 3D design of robot cells and automated equipment using modular plug-and-play component did not exist in our industry. Everything was custom-made. Similarly, code-free programming had not yet been applied to linear actuators, pneumatic, and I/Os. People used to rely on more complex programming language like ladder logic. Those innovations brought tremendous amount of speed and simplicity to the industry, helping us tip the industry that was one geared exclusively toward expert to an industry that can truly benefit all manufacturers. But we did not intend to stop our innovation journey there, and more powerful announcements are coming up. Operating robot cells and automated equipment in an optimized fashion requires the right visibility into your equipment and your equipment data. Over the last decade, we saw a proliferation of point solutions in the IoT and analytics space, but those solutions remain complex to deploy and costly to integrate with existing solutions. What if this integration was done from the get-go? What if no additional investment was required to gain full visibility in your manufacturing operation? Today, you will hear from our VP Product, Julie Lepage, for some exciting announcement about the 5th pillar of the Vention platform, Operate. Just a few weeks ago, we released one of the most comprehensive research on the state of do-it-yourself automation. We found that 75% of platform users were small and medium businesses, doing 50% of their automation project in an entire self-serve fashion without any external help. To be successful, those manufacturers are building advanced manufacturing team, driving the automation roadmap across one or more manufacturing plants. This is a way for them to save costs by doing the work themselves, deepen their manufacturing expertise, and providing upskilling opportunities to those already working on a manufacturing floor. Those advanced manufacturing teams have embraced a new way of working where all activities from design to ordering to operation is taking place in the same digital environment. No more distinct design and automated software to learn, no more part ordering from multiple vendors, no more point solution to integrate. Simply put, there's a new way of working that is faster and simpler, and it works. If you're not one of the 4,000 manufacturers already using the Vention manufacturing automation platform, it's time to rewire how you work. In fact, this year, we like to say it's time to rewire your industrial automation journey. Before I give the microphone to my colleague to review all the exciting product innovation that took place this year, let me extend an invitation to you, our client, to the Vention Experience Center. Launched in April of this year, the Vention Experience Center already hosted dozens of client teams seeking to discover a new way to realize their industrial automation project and accelerate their own roadmap. With 1-day and 2-day training curriculum and workshop format, the Vention Experience Center helps familiarize yourself with the Vention product, but also those of our long-term partners like Fanuc and Universal Robot. This is a unique opportunity to gain valuable skill and test the feasibility of your upcoming project. Please reach out to join us here at the Vention Experience Center. But for now, let's take a closer look at the expanded workflow of Vention manufacturing automation platform, starting with the design pillar.
Thanks, Etienne, and welcome everyone to Demo Day. In 2023, Vention delivered some of our largest and most complex designs yet. As projects scale up, you need a software solution that can support these increasingly intricate designs. That is why a main focus of our work this year has been dedicated to improving Machine Builder, our 3D computer-aided design software. As a foundational product within our manufacturing automation platform, or MAP, Machine Builder has received improvements to its speed, navigation, and convenience, solidifying it as the most accessible and intuitive industrial automation design environment ever. With any successful design, first comes proper scoping. To make accessing your project information easier, we made Machine Scope directly available from Machine Builder. By integrating these experiences, all of your important information and documentation lives in one place and is conveniently located within one unique environment. When specifying your design needs, your information is now synthesized into a single page where you can see all of your requirements with just a glance. This makes it easier to organize your information when working on multiple designs. We have also added fields to capture technical specifications and general notes, which help you achieve the solution best suited to your needs. If you begin from one of our application templates, some fields will now auto-populate for even faster project scoping. And when you collaborate with your team, we have made it easier to add all of your relevant project documentation, whether it be CAD files, PDFs, or datasheets. All of these files stored in your dashboard are available for your team or your dedicated application engineer to consult. Once the project scope is completed, now is the time to start your design. Because your time is valuable, we have taken great steps to make designing a Machine Builder even faster and more intuitive. With our improved connection logic, you can choose between fewer part positions for each new part inserted in the CAD environment. Since these options are specific to your design constraints, you only get the ones relevant to your project. And with faster part connection, seeing your designs come to life is even more satisfying. Bringing complex designs to life continues with our improvements to custom parts such as panels, which are useful to create tabletops, shelving, machine guarding, part presenters, enclosures, and more. Last year, we introduced our Smart Auto Panel Creation feature, which helps you quickly add custom panels to your design. This year, we expanded this feature to allow for more panel customization. We call it Panel Studio. Panel Studio is a powerful tool that allows you to create custom and net new geometry with holes, pockets, and cutouts. You can use Panel Studio for cable management and external device installation. Also, with our user-friendly interface, it is now easier than ever to automatically add countersink and through holes to your design. With this straightforward workflow, your panels will be properly mounted on your machine. As always, there's no need to worry about T-nuts and screws. They will be included in your bill of materials as soon as the holes are created. When you place your order, the custom panels will automatically be manufactured for you. Vention does not require external software to create or visualize your panels. What you see in Machine Builder is what you will get in real life. So far, we have covered this year's software improvements for Machine Builder, but we didn't stop there. We also improved our hardware. From our small to our large extrusions, you can have confidence in the rigidity and safety of your machine. Our unique profile designs are made exclusively for industrial automation purposes. As we continue to introduce larger robots and bigger Cartesian systems to our platform, I'm pleased to announce the first modular extrusion kit for the next generation of heavy payload cobots. heavy-duty extrusion replaces the use of complex trusses and multiple smaller extrusion profiles, including all of the assembly plates that would be required to join. It simplifies the assembly of your machine while reducing the number of parts required to build. We also offer alignment guidelines and leveling gates, both vertically and horizontally, to ensure proper setup in a timely manner. As a result, we are able to offer leaner designs that are much quicker to assemble. Behind me, only 3 extrusions were required, and they are built to last. These extrusions are ideal for large assemblies, overhead structures, and larger robots such as the CRX-25 or UR-20. Paired with our new linear guides, creating a 7th axis with these robots is now simpler than ever before. With this big milestone, we are ready to welcome and fully support the next industry standard for heavy payload cobots. Wrapping up our updates in MAP's design pillar, let's see what the team has been working on to further expand our automate pillar.
Since 2018, machine logic is at the heart of our end-to-end solutions. Our vision has always been to offer all the necessary tools to quickly and confidently program, simulate, and deploy industrial machines. This year, we have achieved significant milestones by adding the key features: an improved code-free editor, state machines, and Python programming. These additions were built on machine logic's strong foundation and represent a big step forward in our journey. When it comes to automation programming, we have seen too many manufacturers struggle to learn multiple programming languages. Whether you are just starting out or have decades of experience, machine logic can largely simplify the programming process. Earlier this year, we announced a new version of machine logic. Our code-free interface now provides better readability by displaying information in a much more concise manner, reducing the number of sequences in one application by up to 50%. Programming Vention machine and robot cell is now faster than ever before. When it comes to robot, each brand typically has its own programming languages. With machine logic, robot-specific programming has become a thing of the past. You can program any robot of the Vention ecosystem within a single interface. Another tool to further simplify your program is our newly released state machine instruction. Less loops, less conditions, and less complexity. With the state machine instruction, you can associate a machine logic sequence to a state and define its transitions. Leverage state machines to successfully program your automation components, such as conveyors, cobot palletizers, robots, and more. All these features can be used with machine logic's code-free programming, but also with one of the most popular programming language in the world, Python. The new native integration of Python in machine logic enables you to program your application using this well-known language. With our pre-built libraries, IDE features, comprehensive documentation, and examples, programming machines with Python has never been easier. As mentioned earlier, high-quality software programming plays a crucial role in industrial automation, and having plug-and-play hardware to design your machine is a game changer. But what really makes the difference? Well, we believe it's the ability to create a true digital twin that represents a Vention machine. This is why we continue to invest in the creation and improvement of our simulation capabilities. Once your machine logic or Python program is completed, seeing your machine run is just one click away. You can now simulate all kinds of industrial components such as robots, conveyors, actuators, and even more. As one of our flagship products, machine logic truly opens the door to anyone looking for simple and intuitive automation programming. However, we are taking it a step further for specific applications by incorporating dedicated user interfaces and functionalities. We call these applications machine apps.
They enable the deployment of purpose-built, code-free software to operate your machine, saving you weeks of manual programming time. All our machine apps are robot agnostic, meaning you can use them with any robot brand.
As for one of our most popular applications, palletizing, its machine app is getting easier to use and more powerful. No matter if you have a universal robot, a FANUC cobot, or an industrial robot, our machine apps will work the same way, making it the first robot-agnostic palletizing app on the market. In addition, thanks to our integrated 7th axis, our palletizing machine apps is also the only palletizing software that can support natively 2 or more pallet bays. This year, we introduced an addition to the machine apps library, path following. This new machine app allows the programming of Cartesian robots that require the ability to perform complex 3D paths. This capability is often the key to many applications, from dispensing to drilling to milling and beyond. G-code files can directly be uploaded to the machine app and mixed with machine logic commands to create complex programs. I am thrilled for the work we are doing to democratize industrial automation. With new enhancements such as Python programming, machine logic is not only becoming more powerful, it's also becoming more flexible. And with the addition of Machine Cloud to our product lineup, we have made deploying these machines easier than ever.
In last year's demo day, we mainly focused on the deployment phase of an automation project. To simplify a traditionally very complex and technically advanced phase of automation, we created Machine Cloud. Through software-assisted deployment derived from your digital twin, we have bridged the gap between the cloud and the factory floor by empowering you to remotely deploy your machine through step-by-step instructions and configuration flows. When it comes to robotic deployment, one of the main pain points is the calibration of the robot with the environment or machines surrounding it. By programming your robotics application on the Vention platform, you can leverage the digital twin of your machine to reduce the complexity of the calibration process. Machine Logics makes this simpler than ever before. Now, you can easily move your robot using free drive directly from the Vention pendant, enabling manual movement and quick position teaching. Simply toggle free drive on your pendant to move the robot into a calibration position or to teach any waypoint. Calibrate all of your applications by teaching a single point on your machine. For higher precision, we created an easy 3-point calibration method that can be conducted within minutes. This is ideal for applications with many moving parts, such as machine tending, where trays and drawers may shift over time. Whether you're using a Fennec, Universal Robots, or any other cobots, you will enjoy the same intuitive interface and experience hassle-free calibration, all from a single pendant. Many improvements like this one were made possible by our new generation of industrial pendants. Equipped with built-in front and back-facing cameras, a removable handle, a large touchscreen display, and Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, you can now connect with our customer support team anytime, anywhere, through your device. In today's fast-paced and competitive manufacturing industry, when automated machines are not working as expected or breaking down, manufacturers can lose days or weeks of production time by having technicians fly in to identify and resolve the issue. What if we told you there was a way to reduce unplanned downtime? Experience seamless machine deployment and same-day issue resolution with Vention's new remote support. Our third-generation pendant unlocks a world-class customer support experience by connecting you to our customer success team within 10 minutes of requesting support. This on-demand access to our automation experts team ensures that your problems and concerns get addressed promptly, saving valuable time and avoiding costly delays. With custom technical support just a click away, gain confidence in your machine deployment and operation, knowing you have a reliable support team available when needed. As we build all these new products, we maintain our unwavering commitment to providing a secure platform for all our users. Along with our existing CE certification for all our automation components and palletizers, we recently announced that Vention is now ISO certified. This certification is one of the most widely recognized and internationally accepted information security standards, and it applies to all Vention software products. From the moment your data enters our system, through its storage and transit phases, every process is defined and controlled by procedures aligned with ISO standards. This includes everything from data encryption and access control to regular audits, ensuring we maintain the highest level of security. While this is a big step, our security team is just getting started. Over the upcoming months and years, we have outlined a clear roadmap to further secure our platform. The manufacturing automation platform covers each step of the automation process, from design to deployment. But what about the operation of your machine? We are very excited to announce the final pillar of MAP, Operate.
Experience the unparalleled journey of achieving full automation within a single platform. From the initial stages of scoping through design and deployment, and finally to machine operation. The Operate pillar of MAP is finally here, empowering you by providing the tools and insights you need to unlock your machine's full potential. Say goodbye to complexities and downtime, and hello to optimal performance. We recognize that the true test of any machine's success lies within its operation phase. To address this, our dedicated team worked on developing this final milestone and the missing piece of the puzzle. Introducing machine analytics. Machine analytics provides critical insights, and data-driven intelligence empowers you to make informed decisions and achieve optimal performance with ease. With this new addition, you can rest assured that your machine will operate at its best throughout its entire life cycle. Experience our latest product demonstration as I take you through our assembly line equipped with the new timing belt conveyor system. From product as small as balls to larger items like wood panels, take advantage of the ecosystem of modular parts that effortlessly assemble into custom conveyance systems. Step into a world of possibilities and elevate your manufacturing experience with Vention's technology. Machine analytics can be easily found on your machine portal dashboard, where you can find information on your projects and machines, always in collaboration with your team. Now you can track the availability of all your machines remotely in one single view with runtime and downtime tracking. You have the ability to identify the cycle start and endpoints in a machine logic program, allowing you to track the performance of your machine. Within a single dashboard, view your performance metrics, including cycle count, as well as minimum, maximum, and average cycle time. Amongst the data you can see in Machine Performance Dashboard, historical data is provided to identify trends and outliers. This allows you to better react to events and optimize efficiency in order to reduce downtime and improve productivity. Alongside fleet performance monitoring, we are also introducing fleet health monitoring. Get remote visibility on the status and health of your fleet and its components at all times. With this information, you can keep track of your machines, diagnose issues, and troubleshoot them. You can now view the status of drives, motors, and control modules along with the overall activity logs. You also have access to historical and current data on controller matrix, CPU usage and temperature, memory and disk usage, as well as drive temperature. Machine analytics streamlines fleet health monitoring, uniting data from multiple facilities and machines into one centralized hub. Simplify your operations and gain real-time insights effortlessly. On top of that, we added one more key product to get eyes on your machine at any time from anywhere: remote view. By equipping each machine with a single camera, you gain full-time access to your equipment through a live video stream, accessible directly within Machine Analytics. This allows easy production monitoring and troubleshooting. Deploying a remote view is easy. Install the camera on your machine cell, position it with the articulated arm, and make sure you cover the right angle. Once the camera is connected to Machine Motion, you can then access your video stream from the cloud. This covers the new products and features now offered as part of MAP's new Operate pillar. We look forward to seeing how you will leverage Machine Analytics to elevate your performance.
We are so proud of all the innovation that took place this year. Seeing our client being successful throughout their automation project is really what drives us. That's why we keep launching new products, but also expand the current ones. The launch of Machine Analytics and the Operate pillar really closes the loop on project workflow and set the vision for the future of industrial automation. Thanks for being with us this year. It's now time to rewire your automation journey.